You wake up, you feel slow, heavy, foggy. You reach for coffee, like always, but 3 hours later, you're tired again. Here's the truth. If your first hour of the day isn't right, no amount of caffeine can save your energy. But what if I told you? Just 3 simple things, done in the first 20 minutes of waking, could give you stable, natural energy all day? No crashes, no fake boosts, just clean focus and clarity. Let's build your real morning routine. Simple, no nonsense, science-backed. Step 1. Get sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking. This is not a nice to have. It's biological, it's chemical, it's essential. When morning light hits your eyes, even through clouds, it tells your brain, day has begun. Your cortisol rises, in a good way. Melatonin drops, that's your sleep hormone. Your energy system turns on. And guess what? This also helps your body fall asleep easier at night. So go to your balcony, stand by a window, or step outside for 5 minutes. No sunglasses, no screens, just light. Step 2. Hydrate with minerals, not just water. Most people wake up dehydrated. But here's what they miss. Water alone isn't enough. Your body needs electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, to fire your cells, balance your blood, and spark energy. Here's a simple morning hydration fix. A glass of water, plus pinch of sea salt, plus squeeze of lemon. That's it. Try this before your coffee, and watch your brain come alive. Step 3. Move your body. Even for 2 minutes, you don't need a gym. You don't need motivation. You just need movement. Stretch, walk around the room, do 10 squats, or jump in place. Movement increases blood flow. Blood flow increases oxygen. Oxygen increases energy and focus. This tells your body, I'm alive, I'm ready, let's go. The biggest mistake people make? Waking up and instantly grabbing their phone, scrolling in bed, letting outside noise invade your mind before your own thoughts even begin. That habit drains your power before the day even starts. So here's the truth. How you start your morning is how you build your energy. You don't need supplements, you don't need caffeine. You just need rhythm, sunlight, minerals, movement. That's the formula. Try this tomorrow and the next day, and watch your energy rebuild itself from the inside out. If this helped you, give it a like. It supports the channel and shows the algorithm this matters. And if you're serious about healing your tiredness, watch the next video where I reveal a silent vitamin deficiency that's stealing your energy every single day. Tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you do after waking up? Let's change it together.